In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on a subdomain in Hostinger with Cloudflare. We'll walk through creating the subdomain, making sure its DNS is set correctly in Cloudflare, and installing WordPress so you can launch a separate site under your main domain. By the end, you'll have a clean WordPress install running at something like blogyourdomain.com. Start by logging in to your Hostinger account and heading to websites. From your list of sites, open the dashboard for your main domain. In the left or top navigation, find the domains section and choose subdomains. Here, type the name you want for your subdomain. Keep it short and simple, like blog or shop, without spaces or special characters. Create it, and Hostinger will set up the subdomain and usually a matching folder in your file structure, which the installer will use later. Next, switch to Cloudflare to make sure the DNS record for that subdomain exists and points correctly. Open your domain in Cloudflare, go to DNS, and look for a record with your subdomain. If your main site is on Hostinger, you can typically add a syname record for the subdomain that points to your root domain. Alternatively, you can use an A record that points directly to your server's IP. The exact choice depends on your setup, but the goal is simple. The subdomain should resolve to the same hosting environment that will serve WordPress. You can leave the proxy on if you want Cloudflare's performance and security features, or turn it off if you need direct DNS for troubleshooting. If the subdomain doesn't work right away, don't worry. DNS changes may take time to propagate. This can be a few minutes or, in some cases, several hours. Give it a little time and refresh occasionally. Clearing your browser cache or trying an incognito window can help you verify changes. Back in Hostinger, open the auto installer or the WordPress installation tool. When prompted, select the subdomain you just created as the installation target. Enter your WordPress site details, including a site title, a unique admin username, a strong password, and a contact email you control. Choose your preferred language and let Hostinger create a new database if it offers to do so. Start the installation and wait for it to complete. Finally, open your new subdomain in the browser and sign in to WordPress to finish setup. You can access the dashboard by adding wp admin to the end of the subdomain URL. From there, you're ready to configure settings, choose a theme, and begin building your site.